Hi friends, welcome to Grestech. This is your host Kamlesh, and today I'm really excited. I'm going to review as well as promote the product which is really interesting offered by Mr. Dawood Islam. It's a bundle up for Christmas combination of 55 software, PLR, training schedule, everything is there. You take a name and it is there. Thank you, Mr. Dawood, for such a nice offer which I can promote, which I can review. It's a combination of 23 software and training program of 2021 and 22 from 2019 as well as 2020. Then 10 another topmost affiliator marketers there. Apart of that, there is another 4 my customized bonus which is gonna help you out a lot. These customized bonuses are specially created which can help you a lot to be a super affiliator. See, what I have found in these software, it's not gonna give you the money directly, but if you follow the steps, definitely you can make a money. So rather than talking, let's go have a look. We'll do the review, a small demo video, and then we review. Being affiliator, I have the so let's go to have a look the review.
Okay folks, it's Christmas bundle time, so let's make this brief because this is the ultimate no-brainer. 55 front-end products plus 11 upsells for the price of one. It includes 23 of my products from this year, 2021, 22 of my products from previous years, and 10 products from other top marketers. It includes the chance to put any URL of your choice on 4 different traffic rotators for free daily traffic forever. It teaches you everything you need to know about affiliate marketing, list building, email marketing, traffic generation, social media marketing, running prize giveaways, product creation and launching, selling high-ticket offers. You name it, you're bound to find a product inside Bundled Up for Christmas teaching it. Now this isn't a hard sell, but the price will go up significantly when the launch ends. It has to because it's just so cheap for what you're getting. Even if you already have some of my products, don't forget, you're only paying for one, so fill in the gaps in your collection. Even if you're one of the loyal members who's bought absolutely everything I've bought out, well, it's still worth picking up just to get another 4 links on those daily traffic rotators. So there really is no reason for anyone not to pick this one up. Most importantly, it will give you all the training and resources you could possibly need to start 2022 with a bang. Scroll down the sales page and you'll see all the products that are included. So don't delay. Pick up your copy today and I'll see you on the inside.
So let's go to the sales page and have a look what are the offers are there by Mr. Dawood. It is wow, there's plenty. Xmas traffic, launcher, triple traffic, all these are by Mr. Dawood Islam. Textmania, traffic time, promote your offer. Then you got membership madness, mail our list, the gold standard, back to basic, place your links, crazy coupon cash, sorry, high ticket hotshot, media madness, fast list now. Then you got monthly income system, essential emails, campaign converter, Mayday Payada, so Mayday Payday, affiliate marketing, magic, total traffic. Then you got fast income fixes, Destiny 2021. Get all these upsells pro version worth just for $37. Okay. Then you got Rhino Result, Pro Halloween, Ducky, all from Dawood Islam. Then you got Dolphin, 365, Eagle Mills. Then you got Pro Lion, Monkey Mailer Pro, Pro Panda, Pro, Pro Wombat, 11 full Pro upgrades included, Pro Second Wave. Okay. And these are the top affiliates: Kevin Fay, Eric Hammer, Johnny Rose, Akhtar Alam, Jensen, Ronnie, Will Worthley, John Altus, John Newman. 22 into 2020 titles from Dawood Islam. Okay. You got Miracle Money, Rhino Results, The Halloween Method, Animal Kingdom, Second Wave, we have already gone through. Guys, there are plenty. These all 55 plus 10, you're getting in the price of one. You can get all the required things to start up the 2022 that can help you out anywhere. Eagle Mills, Leopard List, Tiger Traffic, I'll be attaching the sales page below in the description. You can take your time and have a look. If you find the interesting, please have a look. A part of that, you got a bonus 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now let's go to the sales page, and I would like to show you what I can offer you, our bonus pages are there from my mentor, Mr. Jono Armstrong, well-known affiliates on his personal experience to be a super affiliated. He provides us the custom bonus, which is going to help you out to make money on 2022. So, a part of Mr. Dawood Islam's bonus, I can offer you some more bonuses. Bonus tutorial for bundle up for Christmas, that is gonna be the backlink warrior, which is the backlink support. And then you got second is learn how to get better conversion. Then third you got Europe Connect, how to explode your YouTube channel. Then fourth you got Boomerang Buddy Pro. Then fifth, all the bonuses by vendor. So let's have a look at what it is. What are the key points and what is the funnels? So what is the bundle for Christmas all about? As I have already explained you, it's a combination of 55 software, PRL, training program, all those. 23 from 2021 and 22 from the previous year. Now the front end price, it starts with the $12.95. Only in $12.95 we can get 55 plus 10 plus 4. So 65 plus so many things. Just in 12.95 you can grab it. I have given the link below in the video. Just click the link and get you all the bonuses, all the software, the Christmas bundle. Grab it. It's a wonderful opportunity. Do not miss it. My customized bonuses I got few, which is only for 24-hour validity. The first 24-hour, and as it is launched today only. So don't miss the opportunity. Front end bundle up is for $12.95. OTO 1 is for $47. The down sale is $27. OTO 2, that is for $9. OTO 2 is weekly campaigns, $97. The down sale is $47. OTO 3 reseller rights, that is $47. Down sale is $27. OTO 4, that is exclusive club, $37 with the down sale of $17. OTO 5, total traffic, that is for $197. Down sale is $97. The front end bundle up for Christmas is $12.95. Access the powerful bundle for Christmas software and training modules. Upsell 1, the bundle up for Christmas Pro version, which is the down sale is $27 only. Get all the Pro version released during the 2021, including the placing another 20 links on 4 traffic rotator on a daily basis. Upsell 2, the done for you weekly campaign, which is $97. The down sale is $47. 3-time done for you campaign each and every week, including done for you bonus pages with the review video, product demo, and 10 custom bonus delivered for you. But for that you require a Commission Gorilla software. Upsell 3, reseller rights. Upsell 4, executive club. Upsell 5, total traffic fix, which is $197, and the downsell you are getting only for $97. Here are some key benefits. You may be interested to getting it. If you like it, please stick with me. We will have a demo and we will go to the members area. We'll check it out. How does it work? What are the things there inside? And don't forget to click the link below the video and grab you all the bonuses and the softwares all in this video only. So here are some key benefits you may be interested in getting. No actual work, unique software and training modules, 100% newbie friendly. Plus, I have gone through the training modules so nicely. It is step by step. It's really newbie friendly, very easy for non-technical who's not knowing anything about the affiliate marketing, internet marketing, even they can grab it. Proven profitable, work in any niche, work right now, all the traffic is built in. I will add the link in the description, the sales page. You can take your time and have a look. And let's go to so here we are in the members area dashboard. This is the type of dashboard where you get all the so there is a welcome tutorial, and then you got overview of bundle of for Christmas. In the product of 2021, you got all this introduction, affiliate marketing magic, back to basic, campaign converter, crazy coupon cash, Destiny 2021, essential email, fast income fixes, fast list now, like this. You got then you got Christmas traffic, triple traffic time, another my product, Animal Kingdom energy. So guys, the proper dashboard you get over here. All the training modules are there. Here the upsales, and then top marketers product. These top marketers products can help us a lot to be a super affiliator, to get the income continuity. Resource. I don't want to take much of your time. I'll be attaching the sales page link in the below the video. Take your time, have a look, and once again the honest promotion review of feedback, whatever you feel like it's worth buying for, at least to front end. Guys, here once again I'm in the bonus phase. What I can offer you, a part of the Mr. Islam, what he has given you 55 plus 10 plus another 4, which is the custom bonus by Mr. John Armstrong. As per his previous experience of the internet marketing, affiliate marketing, his bonuses are, this is the first is the backlink warrior, which is only for the beginning 24-hour worth. It is $427. Do not miss this opportunity. Just grab it. It's wonderful offer on a Christmas. Bonus number 2, what I can offer you, that is the learn how to get better conversion. And bonus number 3, that is for $344.95, that is the URL connect, how to explode your YouTube channel, and then bonus number 4, that is the Boomerang Buddy Pro. It's a hack, the Get Boomerang Buddy Pro. Then bonus number 5, all the Mr. Dawood Islam's bonuses you got. I hope you have liked the review, because it's such a wonderful combination. Do not miss it. I have mentioned my link below in the description, and a part of that I'm giving the sales page as well. If you want to go through all the video and all the details, please take your time and have a look. Just find it. Do not miss the opportunity for you. Such a nice collection of products as well as the bonus, because some bonuses are limited time. If you like the video, give us a like. Thank you. Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel, Grace Tech.